Okay, so everyone, I've already done my foundation, which was just the L'Oreal TrueMatch foundation, and now I'm just going to go on and do my eyes, bronzer, lips. So for the eyes today, I'm just going to do some light eye makeup using the Makeup Revolution Sulfation palette. There's here all your neutral sort of colours and a lot of shimmers in it. First I'm going in with this brown shade and going just at the side of my eye. Because there is no transition shade in this, I am just going to take a clean brush and blend that out a bit. And you can deepen that up if you like, which of course I like. Yeah, so you can just keep on adding to this just to get the kind of colour payoff that you would like. And I think 2 layers normally do me pretty well. So it is just a nice light little shade, and well, it blends out lightly. It does look dark whenever you first put it on, but whenever you blend it out and up, it does just go slightly lighter. So taking a little smoky shader brush, I'm going to go in with this like champagne kind of shade and just pat that round, giving myself a little cut crease without using any concealer. So I'm just going to go in with a darker shade and just mix those 2 colours together to give it a nicer sort of blend. And then I'm going to do a little smudged eyeliner. So first I'm taking the black eyeliner pencil and just rubbing that around so it gives more depth to it. And then using the palette again, I'm going in with the black and another smudger brush and just smudging that out. Going in with the brown again, just on the same brush as the black, so you get some of the black too. Just going under the eyes. And I'm going to go in with the aubergine kiss, aubergine, I can't say that. So next I'm going to go in with a purpley reddy sort of colour. So I'm going in with the Hoola Benefit bronzer and just patting that on and then blending it up. Pat on and blend it. And then the MAC Give Me Some, and go all around my forehead, my cheeks and my chin area. really blend it out. And of course a little bit of blusher and then some highlighter. And as always, there is an option to put on eyelashes, and I just need a little bit of glue. If I can find glue. I can't find glue. Oh, I found glue. Right? This happens every single time. Okay, so just put them on, let them rest there for a wee second, and then just pull from each side and stick them in place. And then I'm gonna take out these. Okay, so this is my finished look, and if you want to see how I done this hair, then the link is down below. So go follow me on Instagram, see all my photos, and we can be friends, because I like to be friends with people like a normal person. Sometimes. Yes, so please subscribe, and I'll see you over on Instagram also. Bye!